Today, we're gonna make our own slats. What are slats? These are slats, and they run along the entire bed of our cutting machine. Because a bad cut doesn't just depend on the head, the nozzles, or the lenses. Sometimes it's because your slats aren't in good shape, and as a result, your bed is unstable. Tell us, Manu, have you made these slats before?
Yeah.
Have you already made them, or is this your first time making them?
Yeah, actually, we downloaded the file directly from our force vectors and just did the nesting, and that's how we made them. These slots help provide stability while the machine is working. The machine, since with use, things like slag, burrs, or other material, can prevent it from being truly stable. In the conical shape it has on the tips is so it can hold things with less interference, even with the material itself.
Okay. How often should they be changed?
Well, there isn't a set time for changing them, but you can tell just by looking at them. Like in this case, since this area of the machine gets used more, it's necessary to change it. In fact, we can, or it's recommended to, swap them from the back beds to the front so they wear out evenly.
And what do you think, Mr. Manu? What's your professional opinion? Should they be changed or not? Are they ready to be changed? Honestly, I think they look pretty worn out. What's the next step now, Manu?
The next step would be to remove our protective strips from the slats, which are the side strips on the plates. Once you remove them, you can easily lift each of the slats upward. And then you just need to do a general cleaning of the slag, or any burrs that might be left behind.
I want to know how many slots there are and roughly, during a workday, how long does it take to change them?
That's a great question you just asked me, Freddie. There are 18 slats for each bed the machine has. In this case, it has 3 beds.
Okay,
18 slots per bed times 3 beds, that's 54 in total. Okay,
54. And how long does it take? How long does it usually take to change all of them?
when it comes to cutting them, it takes us about 2 hours to make these 54 slots.
To come?
That's right.
And what about installation?
As for changing them, I'd estimate about an hour and a half, maybe an hour.
How much material do you use when changing? For example, the slots from one sheet.
Oh, that's a big question. We use 3 sheets, but not completely. We were able to get 22 slots out of the ones needed at this quality. And we only used a third of the third sheet.
Ah, so 2. All right, now let's see how the slots are made, and let's change the slots on our Forza. Ranger here at the FORZA Laser plant. There we have it.
They're removed.
And
The one on this side is removed. Let's see.
go ahead. This is the plate, right?
That's right.
And we're gonna remove the first slot to replace it. There we have it. So right now, I'm actually going to have the absolute pleasure of carefully placing this very first wooden slot right here on the lower front part of the frame.
If you look, they're marked there.
Yeah, it's marked. It's marked. And Manu, what about this hill here? Look, it seems like the metal got kind of stuck there.
Also, when removing the slots, since these are made of a thicker and tougher material, it's specifically so they can withstand the heavy-duty work of the machine. If you clean them, they're sanded down and then they're ready to be used again. I didn't record that.
Thank you. Now it really looks like we have a brand new machine. But don't be fooled, it's the same Forza Ranger T. We just changed out the slats on all the plates across the bed of this machine. So now you know. We made the slots ourselves with our own machine and black steel. I'm Freddie Cabrera. See you next time.